Dijko Ovens in Tilburg is well established when it comes to industrial bakery equipment. With more than 60 years' experience in developing modular systems for proofing, baking, vacuum cooling, freezing and tray handling, they hold no more secrets for Dijko. Dijko doesn't just build these systems, no, it does so much more. The Dijko team creates, invents and reinvents. Improvement is key, and every new system is another step in a journey towards absolute perfection. When you invest in a Dijko system, you don't just buy one off the rack. Every system is unique, completely built in Tilburg and tuned to the wishes and needs of the customer.
The first contact with our customers is key. We listen very carefully to their needs. Depending on the range of products the customer wants to produce on the new installation, their capacity demands and product requirements regarding proofing, baking and cooling, we develop a system that can accommodate all their wishes and demands.
Once all the information is gathered, the engineers start drawing and designing the system. Every detail is carefully reviewed and revised before the production phase starts.
After the production, every system is fully assembled and tested in our factory. This is a great advantage of our modular system. And only after the system has been thoroughly checked and run, it is taken apart in modules, neatly packed and transported to the customer.
The Dijko tunnel rack oven system is a modular system that uses racks and trays in which different modules can be implemented. The journey through the Dijko tunnel rack oven kicks off at the loading station, where trays loaded with your products are accumulated in a loading tower. Once the required amount of trays has been accumulated, they are automatically pushed into a rack. The fully loaded rack then moves on and a new rack is presented at the loading station. The racks are continually fed through the system in a closed loop. In the U-transport, the rack is moved sideways to enter the next section, the proofer. Here your products are placed in a conditioned room with a set temperature and humidity for the required duration. Multiple zones can be implemented, where in each zone the temperature and humidity can be independently set. A state-of-the-art PLC control system constantly monitors and adjusts the temperature and humidity to your exact specifications. Optionally, the rack can make a short stop at a handling station. There your products can be scored, stamped, sprayed or sprinkled. Then the rack moves into the first oven module. By incorporating multiple oven modules, a bake curve can be formed. There are no moving parts inside the oven, which results in low maintenance costs. By using racks with multiple levels, we can achieve a saving in required floor space of as much as 80% compared to conventional tunnel ovens. After the baking phase is completed, the products can either be conventionally or vacuum cooled. The vacuum cooler section not only substantially reduces the required cooling time, but also improves the product's appearance, texture, taste and shelf life. After cooling, freezing of your products is possible. Once the whole process is completed, the rack enters the unloading station. Here the trays with finished products are pushed out of the racks and fed on an outfeed conveyor. The now empty rack moves to the loading station, where it's ready to start its Dijko tunnel oven journey all over again. This third-generation Van Dijk company continuously strives towards the improvement of its products. Almost 10% of the sales are currently spent on product development, because Dijko greatly values the quality of its products. And it shows. Dijko systems are state-of-the-art. With many tunnel rack oven systems in use worldwide, Dijko Ovens is a global player. Cakes in Mexico and the USA, breads in Italy, croissant in China, French breads in Japan or cookies in the Netherlands. They have all passed through Dijko ovens. Whatever it is you eat that's industrially baked, chances are that it has a Dijko signature. Dijko, your preferred partner for industrial bakery equipment.